Let me guess. You've been planning to change for months, but your bed knows you better than your ambition. You're not lazy because you're tired. You're lazy because comfort owns your soul. You don't lack time. You waste it like it's infinite. Truth number one, stop romanticizing rest when you haven't earned it. You're not burnout. You're bored and undisciplined. Lazy people are just addicted to easy decisions. Truth number two, if your first instinct when things get tough is to scroll, you're not a dreamer. You're a digital zombie. Every 5 more minutes is another death sentence to your goals. Want to kill laziness? Do something uncomfortable right now. Drop and do 10 push-ups. Delete the damn app. Drink water. Sit up. Take a cold shower. Your brain hates resistance. Beat it into submission. Truth number three, nobody's coming to save you. Not your coach, not your parents, and definitely not some 3-minute video. Laziness dies the moment you choose action over excuses consistently. Takeaway, build discipline by showing up when it sucks. You don't need motivation. You need a decision. Be the kind of person who acts without needing to feel like it. That's how empires are built. Closing slap. Here's your test. Shut this video. Stand up and do one hard thing right now. If you don't, you just prove this video right. This is Unoro. Wake up or stay weak.